letting...
Y'all ready to party?
You ready to roll?
Yeah.
So we are back, and if you caught the last video, we put the VMP on this car. Now, to give you a quick rundown, it is, you know what, let me pop the hood. For those of you that didn't catch my last video, if you didn't, car up right there, but let's pop the hood. We'll show you up under the hood one more time. All right. So as you can see, we got a 72mm. We got the 4-turn fuel system. We got the VMP ice box, which I highly recommend to roll with that instead of the regular one they send you. But got to get a log for this. Wengerd Performance is tuning it now, so we got to get a log for this. So far, the drivability and everything's been on point. You ready?
Yeah. Can't do a 3rd gear pull or a 4th gear pull. Have to do a 5th because there's so much power that it does not stick it to the ground. I know Ken's mentioned before in the videos, but this is a 72mm pulley, the monoblade throttle body VMP ODIN kit, and this is pushing about 930, 940 wheel. This is about the same as what Stang Mode's running, but this is on Wengerd's Tuning. It's fast. It's scary fast. It scares me big time, and that's not a joke. I'm gonna do one more quick pull, then take it back and park it. That's enough for the day. What I will be doing is, though, to get fully used to all the boost, since this is my 2nd route style, but first to be on E85, I'm going to up the pulley to a 79mm pulley and see what happens from there. It'll be about 800, 850 wheel once I'm done.
Did it stick better?
I did 5th gear. I didn't do 3rd or 4th.
Oh, you didn't try it?
No.
I don't blame you.
It whined its ass off, though.
Did it?
Oh, God, it's loud as fuck. Hopefully we can hear it in the video.
The camera usually picks it up better than we do.
I was talking to the camera the whole time.
Was you?
Yes.
That's good.
Yeah, now you got some content.
Hell yeah. So that was the 2nd pull. The 1st pull that you did with the data log on did not record, but you did another pull, got that on camera. So what do you think about the car?
It's fast.
It's fast?
Yeah. It's scary. Fastest car I've ever had. And I've driven a lot of fast cars, and none of them really scared me. This scares me.
So, suffice to say, it's a very, very stout car. Yes, I do want to ride in it, but we've got, I'll show you guys, the reason I can't right now is when he came down, he is putting this Kirky seat in here, and so that's not bolted in, so really no way, and he does not have no rear seat, so no way for me to ride in it. But what do you think about the drivability?
No, it's perfect.
Perfect?
No issues.
Sweet. This is tuned by Wengerd Performance, like we were saying earlier. Daryl's taking care of it. We are trying to figure out the dyno that I usually use. They actually closed up shop. They moved to Illinois. So right now we're trying to figure out where to get this thing on the dyno at. We're thinking we're going to the same dyno that Foxcast Media uses, but we got to contact the dyno, get a hold of them. That way we can get on the dyno. Because everybody's going to want to know horsepower numbers. Me, I honestly want to take it straight to the drag strip. That's all I want to know. Me, that's all I want to know is what does this thing do on the drag strip? Because that tells the final story.
It's an 8-second car. Yeah. Mid to high 8s.
I would definitely say that all day long. It's definitely in the 8-second range.
Yeah.
But I did drive it earlier. I did a log for Daryl before my lunch break. Did a log for him to be able to go ahead and see, just did a normal driving log. And I will say that I am impressed on how the car drives. I mean, with that big throttle body, I expected it to be a little more issues.
Touchy feely. It's
yeah,
not.
But it's not. It really drives.
Drives like a fast car.
Yeah, it drives great. Very, very impressed. So what do I think about the VMP? So far, it's good in my book. Now, the big thing is we got the Whipple to put on my car.
Yeah, and I'm gonna say too, it could have been the difference of power and everything, but this drove better than the last setup.
Different setups, different situations, but
yeah.
We will see. Man, I love those wheels. Guys, tell me what you think about those wheels right there. Tell me what you think about those wheels. I actually love those wheels.
Look at that sun hitting them.
Boy, those are the new VMS.
Yep.
Hey guys, go check him out. He has them. Go check him out. modernmuscleperformance.net.
Yep.
Link down in the description. He can also hook you up with a VMP. Also, if you're watching this and it's still in the month of March, we are running a special.
Yep.
For $9,600. You can get the VMP ODIN kit installed, tuned from Wengerd Performance, same person who tuned your car, RTD device. For the month of March only, and that's on the 93 octane, and it comes with a VMP booster pump.
Yes.
And 56-pound injectors.
Yep.
So guys, it's the ODIN kit installed for $9,600. If you get it before the end of March, even being installed further in the further months, like we had to schedule them in for an install, as long as they purchase it in the month of March, we'll honor that special. And guys, that's one heck of a deal. Also, you coming down to Ford Takeover, right?
Yes.
So Whipple VMP.
Yep.
Ford Takeover. So guys, speaking of the Whipple, everybody's been asking, when are you putting it on? Right now I'm really busy and I have got to get the fuel system, so got to get with Andrew, got to order the fuel system, got to order the injector, get everything here to be able to put the Whipple on my car. Then I got to put it on my car. The goal is to have it on the car, have it tuned and ready for Ford Takeover. I do have axles. You still don't have axles, do you?
No, I got to order them.
I do have the axles. If you remember when I had the twin turbos on the car, I actually broke an axle on the 1-2 shift at the drag strip. But anyway, we got the DSS 1500 horsepower axles in my car, so it's pretty much ready to rock. I do have some stuff coming besides the blower. Stay tuned. I'm not going to talk about it right now, but stay tuned. Just a little stuff go in the back to try to get it to act a little better. But that's coming really soon, guys. I've had a lot of people asking me, when is the Whipple coming? It's coming. I can't put a timeline on it. But I will say that I'm going to do everything I can to have it on by Ford Takeover. And really quick, Ford Takeover, May 7th and 8th, right here in Jackson, Tennessee. I will put a link down in the description to Foxcast Media's website that has all the information. We got the dyno Friday morning. We got the dyno shootout. We got NA cars and power adder cars going on to the dyno. Check with Foxcast Media and see if he has any available slots open for that. We got that in the morning, Friday morning on May 7th. Also, guys, we have the meet starting at 5:30 Friday evening, going till dark. And then after dark, I'm thinking we probably will go to the drag strip, have a little fun on the drag strip. They open for test and tune on Friday nights. So we'll do that. And then Saturday morning kicks off the Ford Takeover event at the drag strip. We got a car show. We got midway with vendors in it. All sorts of things going on. Grudge racing, test and tune all day long. From 10 to 4 at the drag strip. So guys, don't forget, May 7th and 8th, right here in Jackson, Tennessee, Ford Takeover. All information down in the description. Also, his link to his website, modernmuscleperformance.net, down in the description. Go check them out, guys. Excellent customer service. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about the car. I'm really digging this car. I'm really digging this setup. And we got to get some Whipple on VMP action.
I was just about to say that. I'm ready for this Whipple and VMP action.
Yeah, I'm highly looking forward to the Whipple on VMP.
Put some votes down in the bottom. in the comment section.
Depends on who wants to get a little more spicy on the drag strip, really.
I can turn it up.
See, he's going to turn it up on me, guys. We should be close to, well, I don't know, depending on what pulley I want to put on.
350s.
We're both messing with stocks 10 or 80s, man. We love flirting with danger.
Yeah, I'll just have you fix it.
Anyway, guys, I'm going to get out of here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, and we'll see you next time.